Okay, we're on day 6 of the excavation, and today it's been a productively slow day only because with the archaeological process we've got to do a lot of planning. And the idea is that we don't want to go through the archaeological record without recording what we're doing. Excavation is a destructive process, and with that basically means that once context or archaeological deposits have been excavated, we can't excavate them again. So a lot of time has to be taken to preserve the archaeological record, although not physically, but through paper, and that's what we call the site archive. Now, the site archive is something that will remain within public interest for the next 100 years, and so once the excavation's finished, it'll be theoretically possible for people 100, 200 years time to come look at the archaeological record and the site archive and to see how we've actually excavated it and our thought processes. In the past couple of days we've made a tremendous amount of progress, which I'm extremely happy about. We've started to excavate in Trench 1 again. We've gone down to the bottom of the Robert Trench, and we've also started to begin to excavate this entire area out and also to bring it across the rest of the excavated area. The reason for this is because it's stratigraphically later, and the idea that we want to try and take this because it's the latest event to have happened on the site, we need to remove that before we start investigating the rubble deposits on either side. This is because we don't contaminate or get any sort of mixed dating features within these contexts. Once this area has been excavated, we will be hopefully turning our attentions to the north of the trench extension. We're going to start to begin to take down this rubble here and get down to the deposits that we know of 17th century floor surfaces. Also, we're going to begin to excavate the eastern extent of the site. This is going to be a very interesting area, and I'd say watch this space because this is where we're hopefully going to find some interesting internal features. Although we might not find floor surfaces that have been beautifully preserved like our cobbles, we may find evidence of where these features might have been, such as the clay packing on the floor for a sort of flagged or tiled surface. So in terms of the excavation so far, we're making very good progress. I'm extremely happy with what we're making, and hopefully we'll be able to answer every question we need to answer this year. Primarily being, can we make a plan out of this building? And my feeling at the moment is, yes we can.